Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a knockback trait in Warhammer Underworlds. To do this, first you will need to have a weapon that has a knockback, then score the successful attack. That means you at least deal a damage or drive them back. After that, you'll be able to knock back your enemies, and there's a number next to the knockback which indicates how much or how far you can push them. They can also combine, so if you have a knockback on your card, for example, it would say that this fighter always knockbacks enemies, and then you take a weapon that also has knockback, you can combine those two, and if they would have one in the card and one in the weapon, then you could drive back the enemy for two different hexes. So, for example, let's say that the attack is successful, and then we can knock back this guy for two different hexes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.